Jarrett Park is facing a race against time to get ready to host Sunday's Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League match between Montego Bay United and Waterhouse. It will be Montego Bay United's first game back in the second city since the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
What used to be the mecca of sports in Montego Bay has been left to rot for years. That's because little attention was being paid to the facility. But 21 years after it last hosted a Premier League game, Jarrett Park, the old lady of sports in the parish, is now the preferred choice following the damage done to the Montego Bay Sports Complex by Hurricane Melissa on October 28. However, getting her ready for the big dance isn't easy. Workmen were busy trying to meet the basic minimum requirements to host a Premier League match. The changing rooms are still far from ideal and the outfield is far from green. But heavy watering could spruce things up. The big stand, which is an eyesore, is set to get a facelift ahead of Sunday's match. St. James FA boss Gregory Daly is a member of the Jarrett Park committee.
What we did was to give them some minimum standards that to which they'll have to meet for the games to be played here. We spoke about the stands, we spoke about the changing rooms, the restroom, the turnstiles. I've seen a lot of improvement since I've been here for the first day, and this is my second time. I think they are well on the way. I'm really pleased with what I'm seeing now. The ground is looking really good, but I think they are well on the way based on the requirements that they need to meet.
There are areas of concern that could lead to security being breached, but Daly says it should not be a problem on match day.
So those are match day operation. I was reliably told by the management of Montego Bay United that the area there that is depleted will not be used. It will be cordoned off, and the spectators would be used on the opposite side. So only one side will be used, which is enough to host the spectators, the big stand and the small stand over there. All right. So the part that we are looking at that needs more maintenance will not be used. That side will be cordoned off based on information received.
Since the hurricane, Montego Bay United have played 3 matches away from home, picking up 4 of a possible 9 points. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.